So after learning everything in the financial statement, okay, in my previous videos, you all learn what is income statement, what is the balance sheet, okay, and the cash flow statement, all right, and what you things that you need to focus on. So let's put it into practice right now. Okay, so you know how it works, okay, how to take a look at it. Yeah. So in this video, I will use two companies, okay, for you, okay, to assess, okay, and use it as examples. First is Lululemon, and another one is Meta. Now, for these purposes of this practice here, okay, you guys can go to finchat.io. Okay, I repeat, finchat.io and register this account here. This is a financial platform, okay, that you can use to check the companies, okay, and it's free. It's free for now. Okay, I think the data is free for up to 5 years. I think it's enough, okay, for you guys to access the company's financial statement. Okay, so you guys can pause the video here, go and register yourself first, okay, and then continue this video. Okay, now, so let's go through right now in finchat.io. Now, okay, yeah. Okay, before I go to finchat.io, you see, yes, you can track companies' numbers, okay, in the annual report, no problem. Because this is the primary source ever, right? The almost original answer one. Okay, but sometimes it could be quite difficult. Yeah, so that's why, okay, I use finchat.io right now, okay, and show you guys, okay, on how to go through from the income statement to the balance sheet and also to the cash flow statement and what we need to take a look at. Yeah, okay. So like I said, okay, in Lululemon, okay, whenever we go check, okay, we want to make sure to see what? Okay, I want to see the revenue. Okay, I want to see the revenue. I want to see the gross profit margin. Okay, here. Hold on. Okay, gross profit margin. I want to see the operating margin also here. Okay, all of this is already in this financial statement. All you need to do is just click it. Okay, and you can see already. Yeah. So for example here, now you can see. Okay, for Lululemon, wow, every single year it's a growing company. Very, very good. Then their blue color one here, gross profit margin. Wow, not bad. Gross profit margin. Okay, around 50% one. And even increasing, okay, for this recent quarter. Recent years. Okay, have been increasing. That means the business is getting better and better. Okay, operating margin, the orange color one. Wow, okay, not bad. Around consistently around 20%. So in terms of the income statement, this is what we need to look at. Simple, right? That means this company is growing, it's profitable. Okay, good. Then move on to the next balance sheet. Okay, yeah. Of course, if you want more certainty, right? Okay, you can click also the gross profit. You want to see the gross profit and also the operating income. You want to see, make sure that are they growing or not. Yes. Okay, the gross profit also growing, operating income also growing. So, you see, in just 1 minute, I think, okay, go through the income statement. This is what we need to look at. Okay, company is very good. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so on balance sheet, okay, let's go to the balance sheet. Where is the balance sheet? Here. Let's click the balance sheet here. Okay, so I remove everything. Okay, now, so on the balance sheet, what we need to look at, simple, assets. Yeah, we need to make sure the total asset. Yeah, where is the total assets here? Total assets. Hold on. Okay, found it. Okay, so this is the total assets. Click here. Okay, total assets and the total liabilities. Just click. Okay, then we can see already. Okay. So Lululemon's asset every single year is increasing. Oh, very, very good. Okay. And then, okay, the liabilities, yes, also increasing, but at least the assets also way higher than the liability. No issue with us. Okay. Then we need to find what? Current ratio and cash ratio. Remember, can their current assets, okay, cover their current liabilities and so on. Okay, so what we need to do is very simple. Okay, you can type here, current ratio, okay, and cash ratio. Right, in case you all need a refresher, let me remind you guys, okay, what is current ratio? That means they take the company's current assets, can it cover their current liabilities? If you show here 2, right, 2, current ratio is 2. That means, right, hey, okay, the current ratio can cover back their current liabilities by 2 times. Very safe, right? Okay. Then let's go back to the cash ratio where we can take their cash alone only without any other current assets, just the cash alone. How many times can they cover? So in Lululemon's case, they can cover 0.7 times. Now, in our standards, it's very, very good. Okay, if a cash alone can cover 0.7 times of their current liabilities, it's quite a safe business. Okay, so I have no questions, okay, on their balance sheet. Very strong. right? And enough cash, a lot of liability, a lot of assets, okay, and the liability is under control. So this is what the balance sheet tells us. No issue, right? Okay. Then let's go to the cash flow statement. Now, cash flow statement is the easiest. Okay. All right. So let's go to the cash flow statement, and there are only two things we need to take a look at. Okay, and that is cash from operation and free cash flow. You can go here down here. There's free cash flow here, right? Free cash flow. Can you see that on top? Okay, what this tells us? It shows that this company is a cash generating machine. Every single year, their cash is getting higher and higher. Okay, and after minusing the capex, they have a lot of free cash flow still. And you can see the capex not much. You can see, I think there's a capex number here. They help us to calculate already. Here, hold on. Where's the capex? Here, capital expenditure. Okay, you can see, okay, like for example, this red color minus this orange one, the left over is this one. So it's still only limited capex. Okay, there's a lot of free cash flow. So what this tells me is this: me as an investor, okay, I'm assured that this company can produce cash from operation, okay, higher and higher every single year, and their capex are also under control. Hence, that's why after minus everything, they have a lot of free cash flow. When they have a lot of free cash flow, they can do whatever they want: share buyback, or pay dividends, or even reinvest back in the business and stuff, everything. But this, we leave it to the management, okay, to do it for us. Yeah. So very, very simple, right? In terms to analyze a company based on the financial statement. Okay. So this is Lululemon. Okay, let's take Meta, for example. Okay, Meta. All of you know Facebook Meta, right? Okay, so let's use another secondary example. Yeah, so that you all get familiarized with how to use it. Okay. So first thing first, okay, income statement. I think by now you all know already what to take a look at, right? So let's look at the total revenue. Okay, total revenue. Wow. Okay, continue to grow. Very, very high. Okay. Then we want to see the gross profit margin. Okay, and then also the operating income and operating margin. Okay, then we take a look. Wow, not bad. Okay, first, revenue grow very high. Okay, then gross profit also grows together, and net operating income also grow together. Very, very simple. Okay, then as to their margins, wow, the gross profit always consistent, can generate out 80% out of the revenue. Very, very good. Very high margin business. Okay, operating income also growing. Wow, not bad, from consistently around 40, 30, and then back to 40 again. So Facebook is a very strong business. Operating margin, okay, out of every $1 revenue, okay, their operating income is 40 cents. Very, very good. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is income statement. Good company. No. So let's move on to the next one. Balance sheet. Balance sheet. Yeah. Okay, balance sheet. Okay, let's close everything. Okay, so I think by now you all should know already. Balance sheet, we need to take a look at their total asset and total liabilities. Yeah. So hey, Facebook very strong. Total assets way a lot more than their total liabilities. Okay. Then the next one is the current ratio. Current ratio. Yeah. Current ratio and cash ratio. This one. Like that. Okay. Then we take a look at, wow, Facebook. Not bad. Okay. 2.7 times current ratio. They can cover back their current liability 2.7 times. If they use back all of their clear off everything, they still have money left. Yeah. Then in terms of cash, even stronger than Lululemon, 1.3 times. That means their current liabilities, they can clear off their current liability and still got, okay, let's say it's $1.30, right? Okay, current liability is $1, they still can left 30 cents. So it's a very strong company, in terms of the balance sheet. Okay, so this is the balance sheet. I have no complaints. So let's go to the cash generation ability of Facebook. Okay, two things only we need to know. I will never go to cash flow statement. I want to know how much cash you generate from your business. Okay, and then after minusing your capex, all right, how much free cash flow you have left. Okay, good business. See, every single year, cash from operation is increasing. Okay, then after minusing capex, I still have a lot of free cash flow. Very, very good. Yeah, because you know why? The capex is here. Very, very little only, the capital expenditure. Okay, this one, cash from operation minus this capex, and this is the free cash flow. So all three, income statement, balance sheet, free cash flow, no issue. Okay, in terms of the financial performance of Meta. Okay. All right. So this is everything all you guys need to know, okay, on practicing lah, okay, on how to use this platform here to assess the financial of the company. Yeah. So we look forward to see you guys on the next video. So on the next video here, we'll be talking about economic mode. Yeah. So the first thing just now we all learned everything is about the quantitative side of the business. Now the even more important one, okay, is actually the qualitative side. And that is the economic mode. Okay, and this will help you judge whether a company is of high quality or whether it is strong or not. So don't miss out this video. Yeah. Okay, see you in the next one.